Look how pretty the sky is. The clouds are so nice. Oh, they look like cute.
So,
got myself a pumpkin spice as well because, you know, it's Halloween soon, so we've got to keep in the Halloween spirit. And we got some carving kits right here, some carving kits there. So we're gonna have a fun Saturday. Hey guys, I just thought I would show you my little outfit of the day. I feel really cute. I've just got pink Air Force on, grey Gymshark leggings, my misguided gilet. This is from Boohoo, and just this cap. Yeah, I won the Bags River Island. But I feel like this is such a cute outfit. Look how gorgeous these clouds are as well. Like, look at them in the distance over the hill. Like, it's so cute.
So yeah.
Guys, like, look how stunning this rainbow is. Like, we can see the end of the rainbow. I've never saw the end of a rainbow before, but it's right there. Like, there's the end of the rainbow. Look at it. That's actually amazing, you know. My God. Mad that it's proper raining on the other side as well. Guys, it's like literally 15 minutes later and the rain's actually so heavy. Oh my God, you can actually see it on camera as well, like that. It's so heavy. Mad. Crazy how quickly the weather changes, isn't it?
Oh my God.
Mad.
Damn heavy and heavy.
Yeah. That's some heavy rain. Mad. I've got a really cute candle burning. It's a pumpkin spice one. So, just in the Halloween spirit. Oh, you're a lot quicker than me. I haven't even started.
Don't throw it over to me.
Give you all the rubbish.
Oh, we got 2 stencils.
Should have got more pumpkins.
See, that's you for your first one.
Okay, so we got some stencils of it. They're pretty cool, so if all else fails, this is what mine's gonna look like. I'm just really shimmy it on.
What's this for?
Then we got this thing. We got this big scoop. Oh my God, look at the scoop. Look at the scoop, guys. It's really cute. Don't really know what this is. Kind of looks like a toothpick. And we've got these 2 things that just don't look sharp at all. Just throw that over there for now.
Right. Yeah. You also got that one, I think.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh no, man got pierced.
Mine's so
Babe, don't throw. Why are you throwing it at me?
I didn't mean to, but mine's all wet.
You'll break and then you'll cry.
Yeah, I will cry. Why is mine wet though?
I don't know, maybe it's leaking somewhere. Mine's really small. What?
I need to wipe mine over because it's still dirty, so I'll go and get some stuff. I'm just gonna show the vlog my
And then I'll show mine.
inspo pic.
Come on now.
Alright,
You
sure.
haven't found it, have you? Yeah, have you?
Yeah, I've lost it though. Where have you gone? Okay, so guys, don't be looking. This is my inspo pic. If you know, you know. Don't think it's gonna happen, but we're gonna give it our best shot. Okay, and then you'll see the end results, and we'll find out if I end up using this.
Look what he said. He tweeted that.
Okay, so here's my pumpkin. I did want to go to a pumpkin patch, but the last day it was open was like Thursday or something, and the rain was just horrendous, so it was just pointless because you would have just been covered in mud and I wouldn't have had fun. So Yeah, we didn't end up going to a pumpkin patch, so we just got these from Tesco. But mine's pretty big, to be fair.
Jeez. Oh my god, it's yours leaked. That actually has leaked.
Yeah, there.
Oh, yeah.
So what does that mean? Will it still be okay?
Yeah, it's fine. It's just either it's been whacked in or dropped, but it's work on the other side.
Yeah, okay.
So, I always see these Facebook posts and little articles, but like, if the rich just spent 1% of their worth, then world hunger could be solved.
Yeah.
So someone done that on Twitter.
Yeah.
I said 2% of Elon Musk's wealth is 6 billion. In 2020, the UN World Food Programme raised 8.4. How come we didn't solve world hunger? Elon replied saying, if they can describe on Twitter how exactly 6 billion will solve world hunger, I will sell Tesla stock right now and do it. But it must be open source accounting so the public sees precisely how the money is spent.
Yeah, what a cool guy.
Honestly, I like Elon, you know.
Yeah, I think he's pretty cool. Okay, so I've got my pen to draw.
Oh wait, I need to show them my Instagram.
Oh yeah, you go on, you show your Instagram.
No looking.
I won't look, don't worry.
Close your eyes.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, this is going to be fun. So, what do we do first? Because
Newspaper.
Okay, so I've never carved a pumpkin before, guys, so I don't actually know what I'm doing. We got some newspaper to put down. I have a really cluttered setup here.
You press the button, didn't you?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
What does that mean?
So, what you want to do, I don't know which one's for carving and which one's for sculpting.
Okay.
I assume that's going to be the sculpting and that's the... Right. Are you ready?
Yeah, I think so. Oh wait, which one am I using?
I don't know. I'm just hoping for the best.
Well, what one are you using?
The one that hasn't got the points bit.
Okay.
You're such a copycat. So what you've got to do, you've got to be able to get your hand in.
Shall I get the gloves?
Not yet,
okay.
But we won't need them. I didn't think about that with the hand wires. So, what we're best doing... What are you doing?
I don't know.
Drawing a circle.
I don't actually know what I'm doing. Okay. Where's the other black pen?
I don't know.
Oh, I wanted to use black.
You can use black. It's not that deep.
Okay, thanks. I lost the black pen, which is sad.
Wait, what
That's a terrible circle. My hand isn't going to fit in there.
Nah, put your fist over there. Get a wheel.
Oh, okay.
Okay. And then it's roughly follow a line, but you want to draw in a circle, okay?
Okay.
You ready?
Yeah.
Literally just poke it in. And then so up and down and follow.
This is fun, you know.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm missing tip. My first seed! You have some pumpkin seed?
No, Matt. Should we grow some pumpkins?
Good luck with that. You need
Why?
a garden for that.
Oh, yeah. We got out there.
Here's where we get messy. And then you should feel the satisfaction of it as pumpkin.
Yeah, this is pretty cool, you know. This is fun. Oopsie.
What are you doing?
You went the wrong way. I did it.
Is it done? Is
I
it able
dunno.
to lift up?
No.
Well, first of all, don't break your nail. You put it in. So, put it in.
Yeah.
And that.
Yeah, but I feel like I'm gonna snap
Oh
that.
yeah, I will snap that.
Yeah, see.
Oh. Don't break your nail. Just saw it again. In the same line.
Okay. Cheers, I've started a new line.
So have I.
Can't believe I knocked that button.
At all. I can't believe your reaction.
I was terrified.
In and all line.
Yeah.
I say this like I'm a pro, I've done it once.
I know, yeah. Neither of us know what we're doing, we're just here for a good time.
I probably feel like it's healing, you know. Okay, right, I'm in. Are you ready?
Got some pink gloves, guys. Oh, my camera's gonna die. Mad.
Yeah.
Nice. Okay.
Alright.
Okay, so here's the inside of my pumpkin. We've got this there, that there. And I've got this glove on. This pink glove. To just like dip in and... I don't actually know what I'm doing. Eee, why have I done that? I feel sick now. Got seeds everywhere. But yeah, I'm gonna rip into this now, I think. Scoop. Look at the state of my hands. I don't know if you can see from that far, but the glove isn't pink anymore, it's orange.
You can use the scoop as a knife on the side.
Yeah, I used to stop before. This is disgusting.
This scoop makes life a lot easier. It's a lot harder without the scoop.
This is a cool scoop. Should we make some pie with all this?
Yeah.
Wish I knew how to. Ellie probably would. Ellie probably has done it.
Yeah. Vegetarian killing pumpkin.
I know, right? I can't believe we didn't get pumpkin spice latte on Halloween. Who do I think I am? There's so many seeds.
I know.
Like, look at all that. Look at all them, guys. I don't even know if you can actually see from this far, but... So I need to get all this bit off at the top as well, yeah. Haha.
No, because you've got to put your lid back on and then you've got to like line it up. See?
Okay. There we go.
It fell straight.
Bad time to be me, guys, because I don't know what I'm doing.
Jesus.
Do you know what though? I'm giving it a good go. That's all anyone can do in life.
That's all anyone can ask for.
Exactly. Try your best.
And if not, go tomorrow, get the reduction pumpkins. Try again, who's gonna know?
Exactly. Take two. Oh, I don't think I've got pumpkin on the carpet.
Okay.
Are you the one cleaning it?
Yes.
Okay.
Unfortunately.
He's cleaning it up, guys. Just gonna...
Why does this look nothing like this, guys? Oh my god, what's... Like, what am I doing wrong? Where have I gone wrong? Someone please tell me. Like, I tried to start them off, but it's just not going too well. It's actually shocking. But it's really hollow inside. I got one thing right. Okay, this is the finished drawing look, and honestly, I'm so disappointed in myself. Now I remember why I weren't the biggest fan of art in school. It's because I have no artistic skills whatsoever. So, just don't really know where we go from here. Hopefully it'll look better when I've like carved it, but somehow I don't think it will. Look guys, I bent me, I don't know what this is, like a knife thing, but I bent it when I was trying to get the lid out. Okay,
ready?
Right. Are you using the different one or the same one?
I've been using both. Actually, no, I've not used that one. Oh yeah, I've used both.
Okay. What one are you using to carve?
I have to pick any.
Okay.
Make your own decisions.
Alright.
Ready?
Yeah.
Go. Here's where it can all go tits up, innit?
Yeah, this is it's all gonna go wrong for me. I can feel it, guys. It's gonna go wrong, isn't it? But we're gonna give it our best try. Doesn't feel too hard so far, but I don't want to speak too soon, do you know what I mean? Shit. Okay, maybe it's gone wrong already, and we're just gonna pretend that it didn't happen. Okay.
It's in the middle.
Okay, that's fine. So,
You're still in the middle.
yeah, I'm smart. Okay, we've finished carving them. And it's time for the big reveal. We're just lighting our tea lights now. Ah! Oh, this is dead cute.
Oh, lids.
Oh, yeah. Are the lids safe?
Yeah, why?
I just like to check. Because, like, it's fire.
You ready?
Yeah, okay. Here's mine.
It's Stitch!
Yeah! Did you actually get onto that I'd Stitch?
It's the ears.
Yeah! I tried so hard.
Now you can see him in.
Look! It's Stitch. I mean, not my finest work, I must say. However, I feel like I've done a pretty good job. It might not look like the picture.
I like that.
But either way, I feel like it's good.
I think I've got this in the bag.
Have ya? Oh, he thinks he's won.
See him on the wall. Oh
my god.
You ready?
Yeah, quick before my camera dies. No way! No, okay, you've definitely won that one. That's actually amazing. I mean, you can comment whose is better, but I already know it's Chris's. Like, oh my god. That's amazing. Oh. Is that the one from the film last night?
I got off Google.
Yeah, I think it is. The one who tries to throw Santa in the fire? Oogie Boogie?
Oh, I doubt it.
No, I think it is, you know.
Oogie Boogie.
Well, it looks like him. This is so good. Oh, I love it. Ah!
Look at that! They're sick!
They are dead good. Yours is amazing, you know.
Do you like it?
Yeah, I love it. That's creative. Like, you are artistic. I am not. Hey guys, so I'm just getting ready for a bath. I'm using my final Halloween, oh, where's my scrunchie like that? 1 minute. I'm using my final Halloween Lush bath bomb, which I'll show you in a moment. And then just kind of bringing an end to the Halloween, I wouldn't really say celebrations, but like, you know what I mean. So, yeah, I'm just gonna go and get a nice bath and then chill for the night. Saturday night we were meant to go out, like last minute we were just gonna go out. But because, sorry my lashes, because we really were last minute, we didn't really have a costume, couldn't really do makeup, so
we just decided to stay in and we watched Nightmare Before Christmas, which kind of Christmas film, kind of Halloween film, bit of both, so that was fun. And then I also watched Halloween Town with my family, and then I watched Return to Halloween Town. What other Halloween type films did we watch? Oh, so last night, it was Halloween yesterday, so last night we were planning on going to see Halloween Kills at the cinema. Threw our clothes on, like got ready, got there. We'd booked tickets for the wrong cinema, and the film has already started, so they'd shut the tills off, so we couldn't buy new tickets. We bought tickets for a cinema that weren't even on the Alaman. It was in like the Lake District or something. Honestly, I was so sad because I was so looking forward to like going to the cinema and then like seeing that film, but it was okay because we ended up coming home and we bought the new Purge, the Forever Purge. We bought that on Amazon Prime and just chilled and watched that, which was, it was actually really good, you know, I really enjoyed it, so I would recommend. Ooh, here's the bath bomb. I'm gonna get powder all over my bed. This is really not a smart thing to do, but I'm gonna get powder all over my bed. This is really not a smart thing to do, but oh well, we're too committed now. Okay, so that's what it looks like. This is the front. Oh, honestly, it smells amazing. So I'm gonna have this and my pumpkin spice candle. The bath's just running now. Oh my god, also I got a pumpkin scented, sorry, just seeing what my laptop notification was. Yeah, I got a pumpkin scented floor cleaner. Don't really know why, it was just such a random purchase, but I'll show you it now because it actually looks pretty cool. Okay, so here it is. It's the Flash All-Purpose Cleaner in spiced pumpkin. I haven't actually smelled it, so I don't know if it's nice. Should we have a little smell? Should we see? Oh my god, my hair. Should we see if it smells nice? Where should I put you? Haven't brought my tripod in. I wouldn't really say it smells like pumpkin, but it does smell nice. But yeah, I thought that was really cute. Okay, so we've got a very bad bubble bath, but we got some bubbles. And oh, yay! Look how cute he is. It's going to be colourful, I hope, because look at that. How exciting. Oh, look at him. Look how spooky he is. So cute. Go on, you can turn the lights off if you want. Tell me when.
Are you all ready?
Okay. Oh my god, did you see that splash? Oh my god, look how colourful it is.
It's got a splash rather than the... You've got the particle.
Yeah, that's okay.
Sorry.
Oh my god, look how colourful it is though. My god, it's like a rainbow, look at it. That's actually so sick. Oh, look at this, it's the bath's blue. And then like we've got all these colours, like it's literally like a rainbow. Look how cool that looks. Like that looks amazing. And then we've got our little pumpkin candle there. And we are hopefully going to watch some Netflix if the internet decides to work. But look how cute it is. Hey guys, so tonight is Bonfire night, so I'm just gonna go and get ready and then we're going out to see some fireworks, so I will try my best to vlog while we're there.
What's the point in that?
I don't know.
Giant sparklers, well done.
Oh my god, I feel shaking because I'm cold. The camera feels shook. Oh, them ones are pretty. Look at the pink. Look at the pink. Yeah. The blue's really pretty as well.
Long.
So you can see the little bits flying.
They're going wild.
Yeah. Yeah, it's true. Someone then are they meant to do that? Finds it cool the way it lights up the whole sky.
I know, right?
Oh, they're really pretty. Yeah. Look, the whole sky's pink. Moose.
Stop laughing, you idiot!
Was that out of us? Was that out of us? I know, yeah.
Oh. Shazam.
Shazam. Kapowie, that's my favourite one.
Yeah. Wow.
Boo.
What did you say?
Boo.
Really girl.
Bang.
It's raining gold.
Yeah.
Look at the fireworks falling into the boat. All of them. One of them came back up from the
Floats up there.
Oh yeah. Floating away. Hey guys, just got home from the fireworks. Did get a few. clips there, but I didn't vlog properly. There was no music on, which I was really sad about, but the fireworks were really pretty. The traffic was absolutely insane there and back though. It was just horrendous. But yeah, it was a cute night. So I'm just going to end this video here now. Please like and comment and subscribe. Bye!